This is the snowstorm of February 13th, 2014, and I'm watching someone who, I guess, is shoveling their way up my street. I don't recognize them. I don't know if they actually live here or not, but it looks as though they're actually shoveling their way up the street. They're shoveling a path for this car to get up the street. That's how deep the snow is. You could see on our front wall there that we have at least 10 inches. And there they are in their Acura trying to get up the street. They were down there earlier by that orange car in that yellow house, and they've made it one house. So this is how bad the storm is. Oh, here they go again. They're making some progress. They shoveled a path for themselves. I guess that's it. Can they get any further? There's our neighbor. There's our neighbor going out for a pack of cigarettes. It's a lot of fun. Hi, Linda.
Ours is the only pathway that's even shoveled.
Yep, these folks are determined. We'll see if they actually make it up the street or not. Alright, here we are. We're sort of doing a rocking back and forth now. Oh, a little bit of progress. Just a little bit.
Just park.
I don't know if they would even be able to find a spot to park it. Oh, this is going to be epic. Okay, we're on the move. There we go. How far are we going to go? Oh, they did it. That's determination. There they go. Not bad. They did it.